Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter, that is capital and revenue. Okay, before starting the chapter, the classification and all, I would like to ask you something because these things we have already discussed in previous chapters, like in first chapter that was of basic accounting terms. I would like to ask that what is capital and what is revenue? Only this I want from your side, that what is the meaning of capital and revenue? This you should know, and you have to give me the meaning, the answer of this question. Then I will start the chapter. First of all, you have to tell me what is the meaning of capital and what is the meaning of revenue. Because the chapter name is capital and revenue. So before starting the chapter, we should know what is capital and what is revenue. Okay. So who's going to tell me? Alvina Fatima. Alvina Fatima, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what is the meaning of capital. What is capital? Tell me. कैपिटल क्या होता है? इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? सामने देखो, मैं सामने बैठी हूँ ना. यस, बोलिए. व्हाट इज कैपिटल?
Capital is money or cash.
मनी और कैश इज कैपिटल? आर यू श्योर? आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट इज कैपिटल. आपने पूरा चैप्टर
Means
खत्म कर दिए हैं. जनरल एंट्रीज, लेजर, ट्रायल बैलेंस एंड subsidiary books, cash book. Half of the means 60-70% course has been finished. And I'm asking you what is capital and
मैम
you
हम
will
बताएं?
no. I will ask, then you people will tell me. Okay. Alvina, what is capital? You have to give the answer. बोलिए. What is capital?
capital is defined in terms of
My goodness, very क्या है? What is the condition? This pathetic condition. Huh? Is this the condition of yours? That I'm asking that what is capital and you people are not able to tell me what is capital. Right? Huh? Okay, now who is going to tell me? Deepali Bodh? Deepali Bodh. Speak
Yes,
up,
ma'am.
Deepali. Yes. Now you have to tell me.
Yes,
Deepali,
ma'am.
switch on your camera. Yes. Tell me what is the meaning of capital? What is capital? Yes, beta. Capital.
Capital is the investment invested in.
Huh? Yes, capital का meaning.
Capital is an investment.
You're not audible, dear. Deepali. Okay. Anshika Nigam. Anshika Nigam. Yes. Deepali, tell me if you can. Or otherwise, Anshika Nigam. Anshika Nigam, please speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, tell me what is the meaning of capital?
Capital refers to it is the amount which is invested by the proprietor by in the business.
Okay. It refers to the amount invested by the proprietor in the business. For what purpose? For which purpose it has been invested by the proprietor in a business?
Ma'am,
This,
your voice is not audible. To start a business.
yes. Tell me. Capital is amount which is invested by the businessman. Okay. For the purpose, you can say it is the amount which help in purchasing the goods and purchasing and acquiring the assets for the business enterprises. ठीक है, ये अमाउंट से हम बिजनेस, जो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने वाला होता है वो बिजनेस से स्टार्ट करते हैं, और उस बिजनेस के लिए जो जरूरी सामान होता है, ठीक है, गुड्स और असेट्स, उस पर्पस, उस पैसे से परचेज करते हैं. इट इज द अमाउंट विच इज इन्वेस्टेड बाय द by the proprietor for the purpose of acquiring the assets and goods, okay, for the business. So capital, it refers to the amount invested by the proprietor. Okay, now what is the meaning of revenue? What is revenue? Who is going to tell me? Revenue. Yes, Namira, tell me what is revenue?
Ma'am, revenue is a recurring income from any source.
It is a recurring income, nature of income or from any source. Can you tell me what is the meaning of recurring over here? Regular in nature. Okay, good. Revenue in accounting means the income of a recurring nature from any source. Okay, it consists of the amount received from sale of goods, you can say, and the services provided to the customer. जो भी services provide की जाती है customer को, वो. Okay, so revenue is in accounting is means the income of a recurring in nature from any source, or it consists of the amount received from sale of goods and from services provided to the customer. It also included the receipt of rent, commission, dividend, interest. Revenue is related with the day-to-day affairs. ये एक चीज हमेशा याद रखिए, for this chapter you have to keep this thing in your mind, that revenue means it is related to the day-to-day affair of the business. Day-to-day basis के जो affairs of the business होते हैं, उनसे related है. And should also be regular in nature. ये regular in nature है. What? Revenue, not capital. Okay, so as such, the amount of capital introduced by the proprietor or borrowing loan is not revenue. जो proprietor amount introduce करता है business के लिए in the form of capital, okay, that are not in nature of, not in revenues nature. These are in nature capital items. These are the capital items. वो अभी हम आगे discuss करेंगे. So revenue means, revenue in accounting means the income of a recurring nature from any source. Okay, it consists of the amount received from sale of goods and from the services provided to the customer. Okay, so this is the meaning of capital and revenue. Okay, now if we talk about the capital and revenue, why it is necessary? If we talk about capital and revenue, why it is necessary